Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can hide your email address on LinkedIn. This one is pretty simple and straightforward, so just follow my steps. Go over to your profile picture and then click on Settings and Privacy. Now, once you're here, click on Visibility right here. Then scroll a little bit down until you should be able to see something about your email. Who can see or download your email address? Click on that. You can adjust your email visibility only visible to me, first degree connections, first and second degree connections, or anyone on LinkedIn. So click only visible to me if you want to hide it, and it's hidden simply like that. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.